Unlock passive income, your guide to apartment real estate investing. Tired of the 9-to-5 grind? Imagine earning money while you sleep. This video reveals how apartment real estate can generate passive income and accelerate your wealth building journey. Most of us are taught to trade time for money. But what if your assets could work for you around the clock? Apartment real estate offers the potential to create a stream of passive income, freeing you from the constraints of traditional employment. This isn't about get-rich-quick schemes, it's about strategic investing for long-term financial freedom. Think of it, instead of constantly chasing the next paycheck, you're building equity and generating cash flows simultaneously. This allows you to reinvest, diversify, and ultimately achieve financial independence faster. The key to successful apartment investing lies in finding properties with untapped potential. This requires careful research and a keen eye for value. We're not just looking for any apartment, we're seeking opportunities where we can add value and increase rental income. Start by analyzing local market trends. Look for areas with strong job growth, increasing population density, and limited new construction. These factors often indicate rising rental demand. Next, research comparable properties in the area to determine fair market value. Identify apartments that are priced below market value due to factors like deferred maintenance, outdated interiors, or inefficient management. Securing financing is a crucial step in acquiring apartment real estate. Many young professionals assume they need a large down payment, but there are creative financing options available. Explore strategies like leveraging government-backed loans, FHA, VA, partnering with investors, or utilizing seller financing. Consider the benefits of each option. Government-backed loans often require lower down payments and offer more favorable interest rates. Partnering with investors can provide access to capital and expertise. Seller financing allows you to negotiate flexible terms directly with the property owner. Remember to carefully analyze the terms of each loan and choose the option that best aligns with your financial goals. Managing rental properties can be time-consuming, but technology has made it easier than ever to automate key tasks. Implement property management software to streamline rent collection, tenant screening, and maintenance requests. Utilize online platforms to market your properties and attract qualified tenants. Explore tools like Rent Manager, Appfolio, or Buildium to manage your properties efficiently. These platforms offer features like online rent payments, automated late fee reminders, and tenant communication portals. By automating these tasks, you can free up your time to focus on growing your portfolio and maximizing your returns. Imagine earning thousands of dollars in passive income while you're on vacation. This is the reality for many apartment real estate investors. By implementing the strategies outlined in this video, you can create a reliable stream of income that allows you to pursue your passions and live life on your own terms. Last month, my 3 units generated $8,200 while I was exploring Southeast Asia. This income covered my travel expenses and allowed me to continue building my wealth. This is not an isolated incident. It's the result of strategic planning, diligent execution, and a commitment to building a passive income empire. Ready to unlock the power of passive income through apartment real estate? Don't wait any longer to start building your financial future. Smash the like button if you want a free checklist, 5 steps to buy your first wealth-crushing apartment. This checklist will provide you with a step-by-step guide to finding, financing, and managing your first investment property. Subscribe and turn on notifications. Next week, I'll reveal how to scale to 10+ units and build a thriving real estate portfolio. Start your journey to financial freedom today. Thank you for watching my video.